So now we've created a nice looking report in Power BI. It's got a few visualizations on it, and we'd like to publish that to the online service, Power BI service. Well, to do that is as simple as just going to your Home tab and selecting Publish. So when I do that, I'll get my publish information. I'm going to, first it asks, do you want to save your changes? Yes, I'll go ahead and save my changes. Then it's going to ask where to publish. Now, if you have not created a Power BI service account yet, you can go ahead and pause the video and the prompts will walk you through getting set up with that. Your best bet will be to use your student email account. You may prefer to use a different account. So one of your personal accounts may work with Power BI service. It's only available to certain organizations. Or you may have another work account that you would rather try it with as well. So you can keep any visualizations you've created later on. Once you've done that, you can come back to the video. I'm here. I already have a Power BI workspace service account set up. So I'll select my workspace and I just choose a select. And in this case, I've already tried this before and tested out the process. So I'm getting this message. You won't get it the first time you upload, but it says, hey, there's already one up there with this name. Do you want to replace it? In this case, I'll say yes. I could select on that. I could have clicked on that view impact link to see, what impact it will have by loading this version over the last version. It'll give me a comparison report. Now it says I'm done, and I can now open up that Power BI intro. And then I also have my Power BI joins. So if I click Power BI intro, I load it up. And here we see everything we have before. I can still select my drop downs and choose which month. I can select North America to see what we have and isolate that. Or I can turn the filter off and show everything again. So I retain all the interactivity I had with the desktop tool. I just have it now in an online environment. And that's really it to publishing your work. So we'll get back to the text and move forward from here.